Hello, this is Sam Fonoy from Data Join with another video on how Adobe Analytics and Marketo are better together. If you work inside of Adobe Analytics, you may be asking yourself the question, what data is there in Marketo that's interesting for me inside of Adobe Analytics, or that can be useful to me? And that's a good question to ask. So let me just start off by comparing these two systems. So you have Adobe Analytics, which is a world-class web analytics tool that can track everything that's going on your website. Obviously, I'm preaching to the choir here. Marketo, on the other hand, is a world-class marketing automation tool and basically is the handoff from anonymous data to de-anonymized data. If someone fills out a form on your site, then a lead is created inside of Marketo and a bunch of data is collected on that lead or starts to be collected on that lead, such as the job title, such as the company that they work for, or industry, or annual revenue. You also have more information on their middle of the funnel journey, like what stage of the customer journey are they? Are they at AQL lead status? Are they at MQL lead status? Have they already graduated to an opportunity and have been pushed on to Salesforce? So all of this de-anonymized data inside of Marketo, imagine if you had this, but inside of Adobe Analytics, and imagine what you can do with this data. So today's video is all about that. Well, it's about one of the use cases. And the use case specifically is being able to measure middle of funnel conversions that are tracked inside of Marketo, but inside of Adobe Analytics. And specifically, we're going to look at this UTM campaign analysis report. And let's just go in and take a look at what type of reporting is possible here. So here we've got visits by UTM campaigns. We can pull in other things such as unique visitors, page views, bounce rates, all of that rich web behavioral data that's available. But if you wanted to go further down the funnel to see, actually, like, is this campaign driving MQLs? Now that we have data, well, assuming that you've integrated this data in, which is what Data Join does, you can go ahead over here to your metrics section. And then you'll notice we're saving this MQL here in event 6. So let's just pull this over here and we're going to add this. And this is great. So once again, this is data. This is event data that's coming from Marketo. That's basically been appended, integrated into Adobe Analytics and is appended or associated to the visitor profiles. So now we can see this type of reporting. We can not only see how many visits each campaign has driven, but we can see how many MQLs have also been driven. So you can create a calculated metric that does the conversion rate and see, okay, well, this campaign, let's see if I can find any examples here. So, this campaign right here, it drives a lot of visits, but relatively speaking, it drives a lower proportion of MQLs, right? Compared to maybe some of these other ones here that, this drives a similar amount of traffic, but has almost double the amount of MQLs. So this is the type of analysis we can see, how our campaigns are performing, not just to visits and form submissions on the site, but to middle of funnel stages as well, such as AQL and MQL. So this is one example of what you can do, like what you can measure if you integrate Marketo data back into Adobe Analytics. And that's why I've been saying a lot often that Adobe Analytics and Marketo are better together. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll have more with other use cases. Thank you.